Alright, welcome back guys. So in the last video we saw the the heading element, and we basically use this to a kind of specify hierarchy of text content on our pages. So you can use heading paragraphs when you want to indicate a major topic or a subtopic, and then you use the hierarchy H1, H2, H3, H4, H5 down to H6, depending on what the level of importance you want to assign to that particular text, right? Okay, so you can use additional styling to format, let's say, how bold it is or the size, right? But it is very important that you use um, the right heading for the right text. For instance, if you're dealing with a major topic, you would want to use H1. If you're dealing, let's say you are writing a blog, right? So a subtopic, you would use H2. Now, the main content itself, that is where the paragraph element comes in. So use paragraph. So let's say, so we'll get rid of this. Oh, you know what? Okay, yeah, let's get rid of this. So I'm going to comment this out. So to comment it out, you highlight it and do Control / It's going to do a multi-line comment. Now, if you don't know what this is, comment is what you use in programming generally to specify a part of your code that you don't want to run. You don't want your computer to run. So that's what comment is about. You can use it to specify part of your code you don't want to run, or you can also use it to add text, to add a description or some sort of explanation to some certain parts of your code, just to make it easier to remember, maybe for you or for someone else that'll be reading your code, to understand what you actually did there. So in HTML, this is how you write comment. You just start with an opening angular bracket. You do an exclamation mark, and then you do double dash. That will start the comment, and then you can also add a closing this at the end, wherever you want the comment to end. So that's pretty much how you do comment. So I mean, there's a shortcut for this, which is when you select the line you want to comment out. If it's a single line, just put your cursor at the end of the line, or anywhere on the line actually, and then you do Control / it's going to comment out just that line. Then if you do Control / again, it will uncomment it. And if you want to comment multi-line, you can now select and highlight them, and then just toggle between comment and uncommenting. Okay, so that's comment. Now let's look at paragraph. So paragraph, you indicate paragraph with just P tag. So you do P and then P for paragraph. So you can hit tab, or you can. Okay, so paragraph tag, just P. So you can now say this is my first web page. I think I need to zoom this in just so that you see it clearly. Okay, I need to close this up. Okay, so I should get rid of this. Maybe I should just add a H1. So this is like the major topic, and this is the content. Let's say hello world. And then we save. Cool. It says hello world, and then the paragraph says this is my first web page. So note how it is formatted. So H1 is the browser emphasizes the text, makes it bolder than the paragraph, typical of topic and content, right? So that's these are the two basic text elements we have: the heading and the paragraph. So we'll continue in the next video.